up, guys? This is RT Kev with another banger. Alright guys, this video is about I ordered a light kit for the interior from RGB, and I think it's gonna be pretty cool. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so basically a 3M tape stick, and okay, so basically 4 bars, I guess 2 on each side under the dashboard. Yeah. And then it comes with a remote too as well. Let's see, I'll take that out. Sorry guys, I'm doing this with one hand. Okay, that's pretty cool. And I guess it plugs into your cigarette adapter with a switch on the top of it to turn the power on and off. So that's pretty cool too. Alright guys, so as soon as I get this thing installed and on, I will let you guys know how it will look, and I will let you guys know if I had any problems. It should be easy. You just basically stick in these parts under the dash wherever you want it, and that's really it. Alright guys, stay tuned. Oh yeah, also guys, I got these stickers, Instagram stickers. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them, but I was going to put them maybe in the rear window on both sides. I don't know if I like them that much. My wife doesn't. So, I don't know. I'll see if I put them on or not. Oh, they sent me that one, and okay. So I have 4 total. And they're only about 10 bucks. So, not bad. Alright guys. Damn, look at all this wire, man. Where am I supposed to hide all this crap? See if it even works. Yeah, it works. That's pretty cool. Looks cool. I don't know where I'm going to put the wiring, but okay, we'll see. Okay guys, it is now nighttime. It's dark outside now, about almost 10 o'clock p.m. So, yeah, this is what it looks like. So what I did was, instead of, well, I think I mounted them in a good spot. I wanted to try to find a spot where you couldn't actually see the light bar as much, but I kind of like it like this. I'm satisfied with how it looks, and it's the same in the back. I'm not going to reach back there, but, and I like, the different colors it has. Let's see, and it does have a remote. So yeah, there are different colors. Obviously, you can change them too with the remote. Let's see. And red, green, blue. I mean, they have a bunch of colors. You can also make them do different things, like flash and patterns and stuff like that. So yeah, that's how it looks. I think it looks pretty cool. 20 bucks. So I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, so okay guys, I just wanted to show you guys that. I'm not gonna go through it too much. But yeah, they're all different kind of colors, different kind of patterns. It blinks different kind of ways and things like that. So yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this very short video, and make sure you check out my last video at the dealership. It was pretty cool. And make sure you check me out on Instagram at RTKev19. There's things that go on my Instagram that you are not gonna see on YouTube and vice versa. So I'd appreciate it if you guys follow that. And until the next video, I am out. Peace.